guys, my name is Iron Man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Forgive me if any video ends like this one. There'll be a part 2. Hold on. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you never miss a video. Now, Mr. Stick Bob. I was making fun of his character Bob. Mr. Stick Bobby guy. Jupiter, I don't know. I'm gonna call him Jupiter. I accidentally said something, and then I had to cut the video, make another one. So like and subscribe, and there'll be a part 2 if this one ends. So are you ready to do a sideways trick? A sideways trick. I said a sideways trick. Alright. Sounds like he's saying no, but he said yes, and he's doing a sideways trick, and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, going sideways. You ready, Mr. Car? Yeah. I never heard a car talk before. It's not going anywhere. Maybe if I help him. Alright. I'm going to stand right here. Sail! No, Mr. Car, don't follow me now. Don't you dare. Oh, no! No! And I think Mr. Car is out of here.